Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. X not only supports SHIB, but also the vast, vibrant shibatoken ecosystem. Store and trade your bone, leash, and more in one place. Shibadex homepage source. Shibadex.io. Who's behind Shibadex? Shiba Inu's first cross-chain DEX is powered by Atomic DEX, which is built on top of the Komodo protocol. As a result, it claims to have the widest cross-chain support covering 99% of crypto assets. In a press release received by CryptoSlate, Shibadex co-founder and Komodo CTO Caden Stadelman said Shibadex will link Shiba Inu to external blockchains for cross-community collaboration and add insight to emerging technologies. The Nasdaq-listed exchange has notably invested in over 250 companies through the fourth quarter of last year, with a carrying value of $352 million at cost basis, according to Oppenheimer. According to Coinbase Ventures website, the exchange has invested in DeFi money market protocol Compound, crypto lender BlockFi, Ethereum blockchain explorer Etherscan, leading non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace OpenSea, and a number of other leading firms in the space. The analyst has an outperform recommendation for Coin shares, with a $377 price target. He added that in the near term Coinbase's stock price may be influenced by the price of Bitcoin and macroeconomic pressures. At the time of writing, Coin shares are trading at $152. Coinbase is notably one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and often used to gauge institutional interest in the cryptocurrency space. Earlier this month, over 3 transactions, BTC whales withdrew over $1.1 billion worth of the cryptocurrency from the exchange, suggesting accumulation to hold over the long term. Earlier this month Coinbase blocked 25,000 wallet addresses related to Russian individuals or entities it believes have engaged in illicit activity. The addresses were blocked over fears they could be used to evade sanctions levied against Russia over its invasion of Ukraine. The average profit loss of investors who purchased SHIB tokens over the past year. A negative value below -10% indicates that short-term holders are at a loss, and is typically where long-term holders tend to accumulate. Therefore, a value below -10% is often referred to as an opportunity zone. Although the 30-day MVRV for SHIB has moved past the zero line and is currently hovering around 11%, there is a chance for the altcoin to move higher. The uptrend in February saw the MVRV form local top at 30. Similar spikes to 30% were seen in July and August 2021. So, if history repeats itself, investors can expect SHIB to continue its ascent to the target at $0.000339. While things are looking up for Shiba Inu's price, a breakdown of the $0.000259 support level will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis. 2022 is the year crypto got serious. Indeed, meme coins like Shiba Inu seem to have fallen by the wayside recently. While the current market-wide pump has brought renewed optimism across the board, including with SHIB, which is among the top gainers over the last week, its price is still 68% below the $0.000086 transfer of roughly 489.091 BTC valued at nearly $17 million from the Bitcoin address 17QBW has just been tracked. When the transaction was executed at block height 726,641 at 1:45 a.m. The blockchain parser.com spotted it on March 10, UTC. A total of 5,111 bitcoins were handled by the originating address from which the 1,000 BTC were sent between September 6, 2010 and July 12, 2011. Even though the 429 BTC spent on March 10, 2022 was initially received at the same time as the remaining 510.91 BTC, the owner waited more than a decade to transfer the 429 BTC, which was spent 2 days later on Halloween, October 31, 2010, that year. That whales hold second largest stake in crypto, thanks to SHIB. Meanwhile, despite being labeled a meme coin, Shiba Inu continues to create a loud bark of sorts in the crypto field regularly. By the end of 2021, the platform's user base had crossed the million user mark. Almost the last several years, SHIB has gained over 200,000 new members. There are 1,198,043 Shiba Inu owners at the time of this writing. The amount of Shiba Inu transactions above $100,000 continues to break all-time highs, according to Into the Block data. On February 9, the metric hit $389.89 million in revenue. Based on the report, these transactions accounted for 81% of the entire volume on the blockchain. Lifted by whales, SHIB success could not have been achieved without the help of dominant whales. When SHIB, $1.4 billion, surpassed FTT, $1.36 billion, the FTX exchange's native coin, it became the largest cryptocurrency holder. SHIB is currently the second largest Ethereum whales holding. Since the 2010 transfer of the Bitcoin in hibernation, there hasn't been a massive awakening of the crypto from that year, at least not yet. In this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by